We are having a dinner picnic. We're having spaghetti in the park. So here we are. This is the other side of the park we like to come to. And the playground's over back this way. But tons of beautiful grassy, you know, beautiful stuff, trees, and there's a lot of people here playing what's it called? Frisbee golf. This is a big frisbee golf place in our area. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We're gonna have spaghetti dinner picnic. It's so cute. Oh yeah, it's Saturday. And we got Dominic. Here's our picnic. So I just mixed the spaghetti sauce with the noodles just so it's easier. So that's what we're having. Bread and spaghetti. How is it, guys? Good. I wanted to show you guys some of these beautiful trees, especially this one right. Look at that beautiful color. Isn't that gorgeous? I love when they start changing here. This place is one of the most beautiful places in the area when the leaves start changing. So, yeah. So nice to be here. Beautiful.
Cool.
Dominic, did you take a bite yet?
Yep.
What do you think?
It's good.
Pretty tasty thing, huh?
Yep.
Babe, get yours before it falls. Take a bite. Mine got a little foofed up there.
Foofed up.
Do I have any frosting on my nose?
No.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
I think I do.
You don't have any frosting on your nose.
Thanks a lot. I got a couple more at home I need to frost still. Look at these trees. Look at that color. It's so cool when it's just starts changing like that. Oh, I love it. Beautiful. And these two goofballs over here. Got a little bit of sunlight left, about 6 p.m. We had Malloy's second birthday party here underneath that shelter. It was a big party, like a lot of people showed up, obviously. Well, his birthday's July 5th, so it was really hot. But the kids all played on the park, and we had all the food under there, and it was a lot of fun. Remember, Malloy? Or were you too little to remember your second birthday party here? Yeah, it was a good one. Yeah. I remember when you fell out of a swing like that when you were little. You just fell forward right on your little face. It was so sad.
That did not feel good.
No.
My face was bleeding.
Yeah, poor little baby.
How old was I? Like 4?
Yeah, 3 or 4.
That was at, I think Westwood. I mean, not Westwood. Hillcrest.
Yep, a different park. Yeah, there's another park by our house. Very cool park here. And then if you go down this way, that's where the 9 Mile Creek is. And it'll eventually lead to where we usually park and walk. But yeah, we should go down there and walk a little bit. I'll show you guys. It's beautiful. Still some flowers left. Not many. Oh, there's more down here. Pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. No picking or pruning of any flowers or plants. All right. Remember that. Dominic, what's Malloy doing, and why are his hands behind his back?
He made up an obstacle course.
An obstacle course, and he has to do it without... Wow. So what? You couldn't use your hands or legs, or what? Wow. Ice cream cone cupcake. There we go. Video I will link below, because I know there was a few people asking about how we made them. It's just simple. You just follow the recipe on the back of a cake box, and then you just pour it into the cake cones. There you go. Do you like this shirt?
Oh my god.
It was only $2.
I made it.
Here's these boys. It's such a beautiful night. I'm really glad we came out.
My legs. You're gonna see you can get the forest jump.
Whoa, sweet baby. Whoa.
Alright, let's try it again.
Woo! You guys are like getting right to the second to the end. Ooh.
Alright, let's try it again. Okay, keep trying.
I'm gonna show you guys the little path. It smells like nature out here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So there's the creek down there. You just take these steep stairs. So let's go. There's the stairs we just came down. And I think this is where we're gonna do our photo shoot. So the other video I took you guys to a different area that we go to, but this is another side of it. It's huge, and it all leads to the Minnesota River eventually, but it's just beautiful. Listen to the sound. Oh, it's just gorgeous here. I love it. And it just keeps going forever and ever. You could walk for miles and miles and miles, and it gets deeper into the woods, and then there's more bridges, and it just goes on and on. So yeah, this is where we're gonna have our pictures done in 2 weeks, and so by then the trees will be even more beautiful. Look at that little spot right there, guys. A little secret path. Shall we?
Down there.
It's beautiful. Look at this, you guys. Isn't this gorgeous? And it's just like a few blocks from my house. So like, I just have to spend time here as much as I can. It's just too beautiful. I promised to show you the pictures that we had done at 9 Mile Creek when Malloy was younger. So there's one. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love it. There's another. Oh, my little boo-boo. My gosh. Doesn't seem like that long ago. Here's where we used to wade in the water. Look at, he's got his rain boots on and band-aids on his knees. Here's the stairs we went up. Walking into your heart one step at a time. Oh, little pumpkin. I love this one. So this photographer wanted us to like just put him in like the stuff that, because he used to dress up like every day when he was that age, so they just wanted us to have him like how he is. I love this one too. Aww. This one's super cute. He used to wear this hat because he thought he was Michael Jackson. Look at that little face. And that's it. Oh, here's Santa. This is a Santa Claus I've been asking for prayers. It's my mom's brother. His name's Santa Dan. He's a very famous Santa in Minnesota. Look at Malloy. And he has beat cancer. This is when Malloy modeled for Target. He was in their baby catalog. But anyways, Santa, he's beat cancer, I want to say at least 3 times. And the doctors are just amazed because he just keeps beating it. However, he went in with a kidney infection to the hospital. He went in, I believe, like Monday or Tuesday, and they called him back in. He only spent like 2 nights maybe. Then they called him back, I want to say Thursday or Friday night, because they believe he has tuberculosis and may have caught it when he was in one of the nursing homes, when he was getting better from like the chemo and stuff. We don't know many details yet, but this is the closest thing to a grandpa I've ever had, and I love him dearly. And yeah, we're very close, and our family loves him like crazy. So we're all kind of sad and just praying like crazy right now. So keep the prayers coming, you guys. I appreciate it so much.